Hi everybody, I'm Joe Summers from Chilili, where we celebrate water in the garden. One of the customers' favorite plants at Chilili is water zinnia, and you can see why. This trailing annual is great for a shallow water spot from 0 to 6 inches underneath the water. The plant is an annual here in St. Louis, so you'll have to replace it each season, but it's still well worth the purchase because it's a low-growing trailing plant that grows great in streams and waterfalls, or even in a container garden sitting on the patio. The flowers stand well above the leaves so you can see them all summer long, and they're a rich golden yellow. Water zinnia can really soften the edges of the waterfall or the stream. Look how we have it planted here. It's growing a little bit in the water, a little bit out of the water, and completely submerged down the stream, all the while sending up those beautiful blooms. Water zinnia only gets about 8 inches tall, so it's a low-growing plant. It's great for framing, edges, and borders. I hope you consider it for your water garden too. I do thank you for watching. Check us out at chilili.com, Facebook, or Instagram.